Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a long overdue watch unboxing, unpackaging here. So let's get this open. It's a Borealis Neptuno. I've had it for a while. Just, I don't know. Finally getting around to unboxing it. I guess we'll just put it that way. So let's get it out of here. I'm pretty sure it has a snowflake dial. Like I said, I ordered a while ago. Don't even really remember. Hopefully the Neptuno is in here. That'd be a little embarrassing if it wasn't. It probably didn't work out too well. Oh well. There we go. Yeah, so Neptuno. Not sure what else is on there. Neptuno. So anyway, 12 months warranty. I think I'm already over that warranty period. Yeah, it might be a sign of a problem that I have with buying too many watches. Anyway, let's check this out. Pretty sure that's the ceramic bezel insert. Okay, so there's some plastic on here, I think. I thought I felt it. There we go. Got that off of there. Let's zoom in, take a close look at the dial here real quick. See, it's kind of got a snowflake pattern there, not quite as prevalent as my Grand Seiko snowflake, but this is a lot less money, less than 10% the cost of the Grand Seiko snowflake. It looks to be printed on indices. Then we have a black handset there, and it looks like a ceramic bezel insert. We'll see if it's a true no date movement. Let me zoom back out here. Do you have a signed screw down crown? Looks like there's some kind of a mark on that B. Well, it kind of sucks. I'll have to look at that a little bit later. The same clunky clasp that they use. And then the mermaid on the case back here. Solid end links, solid links. I don't even know if I'm going to wear this watch. I might just sell it as is. Looks to be kind of a funny, almost looks stained on the case side here or something. Oh, let's get a microfiber cloth. Yeah, it might have just been some oil or something. It looks like that took care of it. Yep, it's on this side too. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I can see it by eye here. There's like a stain going along here. It's darker up on the top than it is on the side. I don't know what that's all about. Let's see if I can. Let's zoom in a little bit. Sorry, it looked a little bit longer on this unboxing than I thought it would. I don't know if that's scratched. Give me a second. I'm going to pause the video and look at this with the magnifiers to just see what's going on there. Alright, so I think it was just the same kind of oil that was on the case or whatever that was. And the scratch isn't on there anymore. I just kind of rubbed on it with my fingernail, and yeah, so there we go. Let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the unboxing video. Looks like a nice bracelet too, beads of rice bracelet there. I really don't care for how long that looks right there. The center links on the end link. And it's a tall case as well. It's got the Seiko NH35 movement in there, so I don't know. Kind of regretting buying this one. Probably going to sell it without wearing it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out as well. And that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.